Eric.
Down, get it down, buddy.
You want mine?
Bye.
Sissy?
Are you putting on a show?
What are you doing? I'm trying to eat, Grandpa.
Game. I forgot to bring the dog ear wash.
Are you okay? Are you going to be able to eat that?
Sorry. I did do that. That's okay.
He just kept he collected all the meat in his mouth.
I got. Dance. Dance.
Dancing. He's like, ow. You still have food in your mouth?
Get out of there, Mommy.
He just worked so hard to get it all done.